Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can simply trade with 10 USDT at a very good time and make a profit for yourself. But before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. I need you to stick to this class, watch it carefully from the beginning to the end, so that by the end of this very video, I promise you will be able to double your cryptocurrency coin without much risk. So let's dive into that without actually a waste of time. So now we are here. And before you do this, you need to understand, you need to make sure you know the particular cryptocurrency coin you wish to trade. Okay? And do not forget, I have informed you on several occasions that you should not trade any particular coin that has no sign of fire. Unless you want to wait, you want to hold on for a long time. That is when you should do this. Okay, if you don't want to hold on for a long time, then you must watch carefully. Okay, and always look for a particular cryptocurrency coin that is full of ups and down. You can see this one. Okay, look for a particular cryptocurrency coin that is always ups and down. Okay, that's always ups and down. Looking at this, it was here at 0.26859. Okay, and this was when? Let's look at the time. If you want to look at the time, you click on it. If you click on it, then a lot of information will be pop up for you to watch or to look at. You can see. Now you look at this place carefully. This happens on the 28th around 2 a.m. or p.m. Okay. All right. Let's move forward to see again. You can see that this has been ups and down. Look at this place too. It was also at what rate here? Let's look at it. It was at low of 0.30 and it took a high to 0.36, which was a very rational movement. Okay, let's look at it again. You can see it bends ups and down. All you just need to do is to buy it at a very good time. This happened on the 26th, which it took a very high move to 0.48, right? 0.48, which was roughly 4 days ago. Okay, so one of the things I always tell you is that always look at how the particular coin was doing previously before diving into it. Okay, you can see this actually a bit old coin. Okay, so it's a bit old coin. It was launched back in December 2024. You can see the information here. If you want to see the information, you just need to come to this place, click on the particular candle, and you will see, click on the first candle, and you will see the total informations about this particular coin. Okay, and one thing I always tells you to do again is that you should look at the data. Okay, look at the data, look at what this coin is promising, look at the inflow, and also look at the outflow as well. Okay, if you look at the inflow and also look at the outflow as well, I have showed you all this before. You can see the inflow and also the outflow. The outflow is 322 while the inflow is 344. I think this is a nice coin for you to invest on without fear. Okay, so that is all. By the way, So if after having checked all of this, then you can choose to invest in that particular cryptocurrency coin without fear. Okay, and do not forget, always make sure it has a what? It has a fire sign. Always make sure it has a fire sign. Very simple. Okay. So another coin again we are going to look at is Zora. Okay, you can see you must make sure you look at all those things before diving into any particular cryptocurrency coin. Click on your Bollinger Band to see if the particular coin is promising. Look at where it was coming from. It was coming from 0.09 and now it's here at 0.07 and it's trying to take another rational movement again. Okay, so that's without waste of time, we have to dive into this particular coin with this particular volume, let's say. So we're gonna go into click on buy. So if you click on buy, you're gonna going to see your quantity here. I think you're all familiar with this. Make sure you turn this marketing, make sure you turn this to market. Sometimes you see limit there. If you see limit there, if yours is carrying limit, please turn it to market. And in this place, you're going to impute the volume of the USDT you want to use to trade, or you drag this to this, okay, and you and trade with everything. All right, and trade with everything. And do not forget, I always advise you to set up your stop loss and just set up your stop loss and also your take profit. All right, so we're gonna go into click on this one now to buy. We are already in the market. Let's see what the future holds for this particular cryptocurrency coin. Okay, so that is actually, by the way, you can see that we just dive into the trade with 26 USDT, right? If you click on this place, it will take you to the trade. Now you are here in the trade. You're gonna go into come to this place to click on sell in order for you to see your progress. Okay, if you click on sell, you can see this is the total amount of the USDT we used in purchasing this particular coin. Okay, so what we'll be waiting for or expecting now is for us to make some rational profit and cash out our profit. So now you can see how you can simply trade with 10 USDT and above. I just traded with 26 USD. You see, you can trade with your 10 USDT. It's all well. Okay, you can see the average that you bought now will now be appearing right over here. Okay, you can see the average bot is appearing right over here. Okay, so you can come to this place to click on sell. If you want to set a limit sell, should you not be online and this particular cryptocurrency get to a particular stage, you can sell it out. Okay, you can click on limit here. If you click on limit here, let's say I want to sell this coin when this coin is 9, and when this coin is 0.09, I have made 2 USDT. What if I want to sell this particular coin when it's 0.1? Okay, if it's 0.1, then I'll have to come to this particular place, drag this to this place, and click on sell at once. The moment I click on sell at once, it's going to go into show me all this preview. Then after that, I can click on sell Zora. You can see, click on sell Zora. You can see it has now opened an orders for me here. That is, when the particular coin reaches this particular price, it's going to go into sell this particular cryptocurrency for me. Even if I'm not online, even though I do not have data, it will sell it for me and my USDT will be returned to my balance. Okay, so this brings me to the end of this particular video. If you do have any question, do not forget, drop it at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much. I will see you in my next class. Bye.